Go for it. You can shoot faster if you want. Make sure when you lower that gun, your finger ain't on that trigger or anywhere near it.
This hurts worse than that one does.
It's heavy, I know. It's actually light in the world of guns, but you're not used to holding the gun up. Keep going, you got like 10 left. Maybe. Maybe not.
Shut up.
What? Aha. Alright, you're burning film, come on. There you go. Look at you go. That's it. Rack it back, make sure it's empty.
How do I do that?
Pull it back and look inside.
Yep.
Empty? Alright, let's wait. Pose shot. Yeah. Let's go look at your target. .25 rounds, 22
The very
long
first
rifle.
one I shot was right there.
Yep. You done good.